So all in all, I guess I do like that they put a transition color. It does make it softer. Maybe I just need to experiment more with it. The formulas, I don't know. It's like some are the same, some are different. Some might be better than the other ones. Some might be better than the new ones. But that's how I feel about that. And also I can't remember which one because I was so excited when I got this in the mail. I just ordered it from the website. I did not want to go running from store to store. Supposedly, some of them are exclusive to Ulta. Some are exclusive to Walmart. I didn't want to go through all of that. I just bought it off from the website with one of my gift cards. So yeah, I said, while I have it, let me just take care of it. And I just got them all. The only thing I didn't get, and I mentioned this before, was Envy. I really felt like it looks exactly like the old Envy, and now I kind of regret it. So maybe in the future, if I find it at one of the stores, I'm just casually shopping because I'm getting older. Definitely did not expect that when I went through menopause, I thought I would turn into a teenager again. Opposite, I gained almost all my weight back. My body feels like if I felt like I was 80 years old before, even worse now. I feel like I might even be in a wheelchair. I mean, it's not funny, but you know, just the pain of arthritis and all of that. So I really don't want to be running back and forth. So I don't have that energy anymore. I don't have that. My body just can't do it anymore. So I just got it all on the website. And I can't remember which one. And I'm going to do swatches for you today. I've just been so busy with vacation. And then my family was here. So that took up like all of my time. So one of them is exactly, I would say, a minor difference to the one that came out in the I don't know if it's the Akaiso Berry one or I Don't Desert You one. Is exactly like the one from the fall metallic. So that I was kind of a little bit upset about that because everything else was different from the fall one. The catsuit eyes, the metallic lips. So yeah, so that's what I noticed about that. So yeah, I just tried to do everything for you today. For the most part, these catsuit eyes are glitter. They're glitter. But except that one, the shells and whistles. And this, OMG, this is super strong. It's got a ginormous doe foot applicator. A lot of product comes out. I know that this color does not match with my makeup. It probably just matches with the lips. But I just really wanted to use everything that I got. Oh, I forgot to use this. Let's see. Ooh. This is the matte finish spray. So yeah, I think that's all I use. And that, you know, that's my opinion on everything is these are the same as what you got in the fall as far as texture and formula. Some same, some better than the other one, some better than this one. I am really still not sure how I feel about this. I did enjoy when I put this on. It felt good. But I'm not too sure. You can see all the product is here, but I don't know. I had a hard time. And when you squeeze it, the product comes out on the other side. I just scratched myself. The product comes out on the other side of your sponge. So I had a hard time with that, I have to say. So yeah, so I think that's it. I think that's all the stuff that came out. You know, been wrapping my nails. They're starting to grow long. I already had to do one cut. I had to cut this one down. I cut this one down. Try to get them more even. Been wrapping them. The only thing is I forgot. You have to clean them really good with acetone. And this second time I did it was a Christmas evening, Christmas at night. And I forgot to do that. And I see that they're starting to come off a little. but they last me a good 2 to 3 weeks, and I'm letting my nails grow again.